Hey everyone, we've got our Miss Monica here for her update today.
Hello.
So we're going to do a bit of structural work and make sure the hips and the legs and everything are in alignment. And when she left last time she said, I can't do this at the moment, and on her way home she was thinking, what did you say?
Take the tea out of can't and I can do anything.
Take the tea out of can't and I can do anything. I like that.
So it's been a better week.
It's been a better week. Amazing what you can do when you feel like you can do anything.
Yes.
So yes, let's get into it.
Okay.
So some NOT to start with, and so make sure the sacrum, the hips, the centering mechanisms, the spine is in balance so that the energy going to the legs is as good as possible. Okay. So we loosen up the ankles because the ankles have a connection to the lower neck. So if we're tight in here, then that can impact on the lower back, lower neck, and make it really tight. Okay, so that's not even, it's higher on the right, which means that the neck's out on the left. Okay, so a bit sore there.
Right there.
Yep, not here.
No.
Okay, so breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. And breathe in and out.
You're a magician.
Yeah, it's amazing what the body tells us. Okay, closer but no cigar, which usually means that there's something going on between here and here. So, hold the leg up for me, good. Hold the leg up, good. So both of them are just communicating well. So now, let's just ask around any and all COVID stress. And hold. And hold. So COVID stress, just the whole shenanigans of 2 years is messing with you. So let's get the neurology coming through. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. 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 Any and all Rona stress, good. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. 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 And hold. Beautiful. Okay, so let's check pain and pain hormones. And hold. No. Stress and stress hormones. Hold. Okay, so yeah. I mean, Rona, let's face it, it sort of encompasses everything. For the last 2 years. Let's check your centering mechanisms. And hold. No. So these are your ischial tuberosities. So those little sitting bones. It's been harder getting in and out of chairs.
Yep.
Yeah. So when they're not working very well, it just, you have to use your arms to get out of chairs rather than having that get out and go. And hold, beautiful. And these ones face the skull, hold, are the labyrinthine reflex points. So these ones are to do with balancing the head on the neck on the shoulders. And of course at the moment it's a real spiritual, physical, emotional struggle. And then I'll connect the two. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. And hold. Beautiful. Okay, let's check your tailbone. Make sure it's not jammed and hold up for me. It's not too bad, but it is a little jammed. So it doesn't want to be stretched. So stretching indicates relaxed. So there's a little bit of tension through your spine.
Okay.
So mowing and walking the dog, and have you been to Aqua?
Yep.
Yep, and how's that been?
Good.
Feels
Yeah.
good in the pool?
Yeah.
Excellent. Breathe in and out. So we're stretching the tailbone. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And hold. Beautiful. Okay. Right, so let's check the spinal respiratory fault. And hold. Yeah. So the lungs, heart, grief, guilt and regret, heart, all that imbalance with being broken-hearted and stressed and hold. Beautiful. Okay. Cardiac back and hold. Okay. So cardiac back, when this gets a little bit jammed, then it compresses through the spine. I imagine your body always feels much more elastic and alive after Aqua.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very. Yeah. That's what that thing just getting into the pool way before too.
Yeah, what, sorry?
Just even getting into the pool way before.
Yeah, right. Oh, water's amazing in summer.
Because you can stretch your legs and stuff more than what you can do it outside.
That's good, isn't it? And hold. Beautiful. Oh, let's check for the energy of scoliosis. That one's good on the right. And hold. That one's good on the left. Oh, now because we're talking knees, put the knees together and then let the leg fall out. Hold out. Don't let me push into the center. Hold. Yeah, right. That's not working. And hold out. Don't let me pull into the center. Okay. So that's a core ligament on the inside of the pelvis. So there's a nerve pinching there somewhere that's stopping that ligament from switching on and holding that knee joint in place when we test it.
It's a bit tender there.
Yeah, right, okay. Well, from here to here also is about the small intestines as well. How's your tummy been?
Yep, good.
No problem? Good. No, it's not really your issue, is it, tummy?
No,
No, me neither.
I'm fine.
Brennan always goes, how's your tummy been? Oh, fine. Hold, that's better. And hold out, hold, good. And then I'll do another one. Since that one was out, lift the leg a little. Now, relax. Now hold there, I'm coming down and out. Hold. No, that one's rock solid. And hold, I'm coming down and out. No, that one's rock solid. Good, okay. Well, let's just check your glutes. So lift the leg, hold up, don't let me push down. No. Lift the leg, hold up, don't let me push down. Right, so the glutes aren't activating either, so that's not going to be helping your sitting bones. And then if they're not working, other muscles and ligaments and tendons have to jump in and do the job.
Okay.
So some things will be tighter than, they should be.
So more exercise would help that, or?
Well, you're already doing heaps of exercise, so I don't think it's particularly that. Renergy could probably give you some exercises to do, like she always loves the old, the squats and lunges.
Okay.
Exactly. I heard that. That's how I sound when she says squats and lunges to me. But they're very good for switching on the glutes.
Maybe you should concentrate on those in the pool.
Yeah, right. Good idea. You're already in there.
Yeah, well I go earlier and I can stay later most days, isn't it?
And again, hold up for me. That's better. Hold up for me. Yeah, right. So they're activating now. Okay. So let me also check tailbone with the sphenoid bone. So, and hold. That one's okay. And then tailbone with sphenoid and jaw. And hold. Have you been clenching your teeth or grinding your teeth or not saying what you want to say to people lately, or
Yes.
clenching your jaw or grinding your teeth when someone says something that you just totally disagree with and you don't want to argue? No. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. In relation to speaking our truth. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. In relation to owning your truth. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed, it's dark, eyes open. And hold. Okay, turning over for me. Actually, just pause, I'll make it a part 2. So,